Famalaaay, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana Emanuel, and this is where we cherish the skin we're in. Now let's play with some colors, honey. Alright, what's up my beautiful people? So what we're gonna start off with is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and that's in white. But make sure that you prep your skin before all of this, alright? Make sure you're putting makeup on, clean face, people, okay? And then make sure you put your primer on and let that baby sit, okay? So that, you know, everything else can apply flawlessly. Okay, alright. We're gonna go in with the Revolution palette, and we're gonna go with the brilliant blue that is called Neptune, alright? And you are going to blend that out. Don't put too much, alright? A little, and then you build up. And now you're gonna go in with Venus, this awesome looking pink, and you're gonna put that in the middle, but make sure, like I said, you blend out, alright? You can build in the middle quite thick, but then blend out towards the blue. Alright, now this pencil that I'm using right now, she's no guest to the channel, alright? She works here full time, okay? She got her pension and everything set up, okay? This is the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in number 2 Hot Chocolate. And you're basically going to make a line, okay? It separates the sky from the water, and then, you know, you could use the same pencil or your eyebrow pomade, all right, and create some background trees. Okay, so for this step, any black eye pencil will do, okay? You could even use eyeliner if you'd like, all right? And draw a bank and trees, all right? You can do it however you want to do it, honey, okay? It's not brain surgery, okay? It's just some trees, okay? All right, have fun with it, okay? So for this step, I use the 16-hour Camo Concealer, you know, in white from e.l.f. to create the moon, alright? You can use the NYX Jumbo Pencil, you know, in milk if you'd like, but I use the concealer instead, and just pat that out until it becomes kind of, you know, blurry-ish. Is that a thing? I don't know. Just make the moon look good, okay? And then you put the shimmer of the moon in the water. You see how that look? It's so simple. And then over the moon, you know, you go in with your eye pencil and draw some branches. You know, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at Linda, look it. You know what I'm saying? And that's about it. Just have fun with it. What I'm doing right now is using a cotton swab with this Mercier, however you pronounce that. I'm not going to bite my tongue, and just clean up the areas, all right? And then we're going to go right back in with Venus and start in the inner corner of the eye, and then add Neptune at the end. You know, smoke that out just a bit. Okay. Okay. All right. So this is one of my Christmas gifts, alright, from me to me. Alright, and this is the Juvia's Place concealer in Grenada. Trust me, honey, I went ham on this Pore concealer. This concealer, I broke this concealer in hard, honey. Okay, she wasn't ready for it. She wasn't ready for it, okay? I was supposed to just like put a little bit, but child, oh, I learned. Okay, I learned. And then on top of that, I'm going in with Juvia's Place. I am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation in Accra 330. Lord, I'm trying to make it work, okay? Cause I done messed it up. Okay, don't judge me. Okay, I'm an artist. Okay, not a makeup artist. Okay, so don't judge me. Okay, all right. So I'm using the gold, alright, called Spicy in the e.l.f. Opposites Attract palette. Let me tell you something. e.l.f. Formula. Yes, it's a one. Cause this gold makes your skin look like you wet your face. Okay, I don't know how y'all did it, but hey, shake out big toe, cause yes. So right here I'm going in with a sheer purplish gloss. Alright, you know me, I like my lip gloss. Your lip gloss be poppin', lip gloss be cool. How that song go? However it go. Anyways, I love me a lip gloss. Ooh, who that gal lay? Look at that fade, baby. Yes, come through, moonrise. Ooh, yes, honey, yes. Lip gloss on fleek. Do we still say fleek? If we don't, okay, whatever, don't cancel me, okay? All right, my beautiful people, see y'all in the next one. Later.